Today, I will be sharing about how you can create a true or false question on the Tuition Near Me EduTech platform. First, go to our Tuition Near Me EduTech platform and click on the button, Login. This will bring you to your personal dashboard. Once you are on the page, click on the button, Create a New Course. The button is located on the right side of our platform. Once you are on the course creation page, give your course a name. After that, scroll down the platform to find the header, Course Builder. Click on the button, Add New Topic. Our platform will prompt you to provide the topic name and topic summary. Once you are done with it, click on the button, Add Topic. After this, click on the button, Quiz. Our platform will then prompt you to provide the quiz title and the summary. Once done, click on the button, Save and Next. Click on the button, Add Question. Provide your question in the space provided. Under, select your question type, choose True or False. Select the correct answer. Now, click the button, Add to Question. Click Save and Next again. And again. Once OK, we are going to preview the quiz. Click on the button, Enroll Now. Go back to your course creation page and click the button, Preview again. Scroll down our platform and click on the button, Start Learning. Then click on the button, Start Quiz. Choose the correct answer and click the button, Submit Quiz. Check the score tabulation, and that's it. Thank you for attending today's webinar on how to create a true or false question on the Tuition Near Me EduTech platform.